I'm Kajal. I am associated with Masoom, a community-based rural organization. I come from India, and through this project, I would like to achieve a just, responsive, and sensitive, as well as trained and equipped healthcare system in response to WOW. We are one of the partners actually, and it's a mainstreaming program. So we are looking at actually mainstreaming the whole model of healthcare system response towards violence basically. According to recent data of Indian government, it is very much clear that violence has increased from 21% to 25% in recent years. So that's a big that you can say problem, and we are very much committed to prevent violence at the community level, and health system has very particular role in preventing violence actually, because we have already established a model with the tertiary healthcare system. So one of the organization called Sehat, with the support of WHO, has established this model at tertiary healthcare level, where our project is located right now. That is Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. And they found that it has contributed towards preventing violence among women with the kind of support they have provided through counseling and this all kind of psychological support to the survivors. So this model, this recent project is focusing on the public health care facility at primary and secondary level. So most of the frontline health workers, nurses, healthcare providers who are in direct touch with the community women survivor can be trained and can be in a sense made gender sensitive and made aware of this violence issue, and can be in a sense turned into a kind of resources to prevent vow within the community. So this is our approach. So we are mainly actually focusing on training these healthcare providers at all level, from community level to tertiary healthcare facility. Also, we are trying to strengthen the health system itself through kind of, in a sense, establishing such kind of system where a survivor, a woman, can be identified at the primary level or early level who is suffering violence basically, and through counseling and psychological support we can actually help her. And the third part is mainly focusing on multi stakeholder coordination. So as you know, a health system cannot work in isolation, and the community healthcare providers, basically ASHA, that we call in India, so they need to be in coordination with the other community structures and other systems basically. So it's like a kind of an effort where community health workers and healthcare providers will be trained to be in coordination with the other community structure as well as other stakeholders like shelter homes or protection officers and legal support system. Those are actually they have mandate to support the violence survivor. So it is an effort to kind of come up with a model with kind of coordinated efforts, or establishing a model which will show up that how public health sector in coordination with other sectors actually can lead to a prevention of violence at community level. I think the major challenge will be the sustainability part of this thing. So we would like to actually scale up this model or mainstream this model into the public health system of Maharashtra as well as India through our advocacy. But yeah, the political scenario environment may affect it. So basically, primarily, we are looking for actually the role of HCPs, the healthcare providers, what is strengthens the public health system actually in response to WOW. So that is the major thing that we are looking for. Then the how the like survivors like access to the healthcare services, particularly for like WOW related services, can be improved. That is the another thing that we are looking for, because there is a kind of major gap at evidence level, where the healthcare system's role in like preventing WOW has not been very much studied, or it's less studied, as we can say. So the women who is directly coming in contact with the ASHA worker, the frontline health workers or ANMs or like healthcare providers, um, can play a very much significant role in preventing this whole violence within the community. But that is less studied. So I think with this whole research, we'll be able to fill up this gap.